Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add friends on Discord. So it's really easy. If you have a new account or you forgot what it was, you need to click on friends in the direct messages. Now you should be able to be here by default. If you have some messages, then you will still see it. If you go to friends, you need to click on add friend. Once you add a friend, you'll be able to enter your username here. So as you guys can see, I'll just send a friend request and you should see that success. Your friend request to hard reset test was sent. So here you enter a username of your friend, and that's how you guys can add them. So of course, if I delete it from pending now, it will be canceled. But if you want to add somebody from a server, you can just click on their profile, click on the button here, and now you got a outgoing friend request. And that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.